subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
After launching Moto X40 Pro back in August this year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Moto X40 Pro, and the same phone is going to launch globally as Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specification has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hemmerstoffer in partner with MySmartPrice. According to leaks and rumors, the Moto X40 Pro will feature a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved OLED display with up to 165Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top center that will house a 60-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that will include one 50-megapixel main camera along with the another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 12-megapixel telephoto lens. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, and at the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM slot and a Type-C charging port, and there is secondary speaker grill on the top alongside the secondary microphone. Under the hood, the phone is expected to come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is said to measure at 161.3 by 73.9 by 8.6mm. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto X40 Pro has leaked so far, and it is expected to launch by the end of this year. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto X40 Pro or Motorola Edge 40 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.